Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. The connected disconnected problem with Samsung USB connectors can be frustrating. But today we are here with some several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this issue. So let's get started. First thing is, make sure that the USB cable you are using is in good condition and properly connected to both your Samsung device and the USB port on your computer or charger. Try using a different USB cable or connector to see if the problem persists. Also, sometimes a simple restart can resolve temporary software glitches. Turn off your Samsung device, wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on to see if the issue is resolved. Inspect the USB port on your Samsung device for any debris, dust or damage that may be obstructing the connection. Use a soft brush or compressed air to clean the port gently. Avoid using sharp objects that may cause the damage. If the problem still persists after trying all software-related troubleshooting steps, it's possible that there is a hardware issue with either your Samsung device or the USB connector. In this case, you may need to contact Samsung customer support or visit a certified repair center for further assistance. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.